welcome back to my channel. I know I look a little crazy right now, but I do have my hair done already. I just curled it and I also have my eyebrows done. I just need to do the rest of my makeup, but I actually wanted to get ready with you. I'm actually going to a party in about an hour and 30 minutes, so I still have some time to get ready with you. I'm actually going to be using Mavenbeauty products in this video, so this video is sponsored by Mavenbeauty. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna start with applying this eyeshadow right here, and I'm going to apply this color on my crease. And today I'm not doing anything dramatic. I'm just gonna keep it very simple but still cute, you know. I still don't know what I'm going to wear to the party. It's not a big party, it's just something small, but I'm thinking I'm gonna wear like some jeans and like a nice top. I don't know yet, but I'll be sure to show you once I finish. Alright, so after I finish applying the eyeshadow, I'm going to be applying this eyeshadow right here. This is like a darker brown, and I'm going to apply that all over my eyelid. I'm pretty much doing like a brown smoky eye, but simple, you know, not really dramatic. I didn't want to do too much today, like I said. I kind of wanted to take like a shot, you know, just to get loose a little bit. And I am 21. If you're wondering, I'm already 21. I turned 21 last year in September 22nd. This year I'm going to be 22. That's so freaking crazy. I feel like time went by so fast. For my birthday, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I mean, I still have like what we're in April, so I still have April, May, June, July, August, like 6 months to go for my birthday. I kind of don't want to do anything this year, just kind of have like a dinner. I don't know, we'll see when it gets here. So I tried doing a wing eyeliner, but you can't really see this color because it is gold and I'm wearing like neutral eyeshadows today, so I'm not gonna use that. It looks super pretty though, but you can't really see it. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna use my black, no, actually I'm gonna use this brown liquid eyeliner by Mavenbeauty as well, and it's just like a brown eyeliner, so I'm thinking this is gonna look better. So I'm gonna use this one in the shade brown, and I'm gonna do a wing eyeliner. After I finish doing my eyeliner, I'm actually going to clean it up because I did mess up a little bit. So I'm just going to go in with my concealer brush that I use to like clean up my eyebrows, and I'm just going to clean up I just finished applying lashes. I love this eyeshadow look. It looks so pretty. I also wanted to mention that I did post a new TikTok today, and it's this one right here. You guys should go check it out and make sure you follow me because I'm gonna be uploading a lot on there. I just started, so make sure you go follow me because I'm gonna be posting a lot. And I guess I'm a TikToker now. Anyways, I'm gonna move on to primer. So I did apply primer. Well, I'm actually applying it right now. I did apply foundation, and now I'm going to blend it out. My camera died, so I'm gonna have to fix it again. That should be fine. Anyways, I did apply concealer. Now I'm going to blend it out with my beauty blender. I was playing music, but I'm scared I'm gonna get copyrighted, so I'm just gonna like mute this part and play some music over it. That way I won't get copyrighted. I've been using like a yellow translucent powder lately to set my concealer, and I feel like it looks a little better than the regular powder. I'm just contouring my nose a little bit. I'm using the same eyeshadow I used to bronze my face from the Basic Beat Medium Blend Eyeshadow Palette from Mavenbeauty. For highlighter, I'm going to be using this highlighter by Mavenbeauty, and this is in the shade Draped Up. So I'm gonna do my mascara and all that off camera because I'm actually running super late. I told my friend I was gonna pick her up at 6:30 and it's actually 6:26 right now, so I need to hurry up before it gets super late. All right, so I just finished doing my mascara and all that, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the Basic Beat Spotlight Eyeshadow Palette by Mavenbeauty, and I'm going to be using this shade right here. It's like a gold eyeshadow, and I'm just going to apply that on the inner corners of my eye, you know, just for a pop of gold. For lipstick, I'm going to be using my Mavenbeauty lipstick in the shade Buena. This is my favorite lipstick from Mavenbeauty. I love this color. Look how pretty it looks. I love this color so much. I'm going to be using my Mavenbeauty Rose Water Setting Spray, and I'm going to set my makeup. Since I'm going to be out on night, this is going to help my makeup stay in place. This smells so good. I knew I was going to love it. And I love the way it feels on my skin. It doesn't feel super wet. So I just finished getting ready and I'm about to leave right now. I already picked up my friend, but I'm actually going to take a shot just to get loose a little bit. And I'm going to take it with my friend. She doesn't want to come out, so... Okay, so let's cheers. We're drinking tequila. I'm a little scared. I don't have lemon, so I'm just going to use tajin. You want some? You take it away. We're gonna use tajin as chaser because we don't have lemon. Oh, we should have used oranges. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Cheers. Ooh. It's actually not that bad for being the first shot. I think because it's cold. I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna finish this video already because I have to go, but I just wanted to finish up this video with taking a shot of tequila. So that is pretty much it, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.